Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how you can go ahead and fix the version of YouTube when it is out of date and no updates are available for your device. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be clearing our cache on YouTube. So just go into settings right here and then go all the way down until we can go ahead and see apps right here. And then it's going to go and search for YouTube right here. And then we're going to go all the way down. If YouTube is open, just go ahead and click force stop on the bottom right and then click OK. Now we're going to go into our storage right here and just go ahead and clear your data on the bottom left. So this will go ahead and clear your data, and then just go ahead and go all the way down and take a look at the version that you have for your YouTube. So it is currently 18.42.36. And then what we're going to be doing is let's go into our Play Store right here and then just go ahead and search for YouTube. So if there is an update available, you should be able to see it right here. And if you are in the latest version, then this will be as is like this, where it says open. And since we have cleared our cache, then we should be able to go ahead and update our YouTube right here. And don't forget that once that you have done all of this, just go right on ahead and restart your phone, and then you should be able to get this version all up to date. Hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.